Kakain na naman? Yes! Dahil gutom na gutom tayo, ready na ba kayo sa isang masarap na food adventure? Ngayong araw na to, bibisitahin natin ang mga espesyal na food truck na nag-o-offer ng masasarap na pagkain. Unahin na natin sa ating listahan ang Pork on the Road. Ang food truck na ito ay nagsiserve ng Filipino-American fusion dishes na siguradong mapapalaway kayo. Sila mismo ang gumawa ng kanilang mga patty mula sa simula. 100% purong beef na may halong mozzarella cheese. Sobrang cheesy goodness, diba? Meron din silang double cheeseburger na punong-puno ng cheese. At para naman sa mga mahilig sa manghang, subukan nyo ito kanilang special jalapeno burger lumpia na may crunchy, spicy at sobrang sarap. Meron din silang smoked sausage na may sloppy toppings na siguradong dapat yung tikman. Perfect ito para sa mga gustong mag-explore ng mga Filipino-American flavors. Kaya kung gusto nyo matikman ang unique na flavors, bisitahin nyo lang ang Pork on the Road. Bisitahin nyo ang kanilang food truck dito sa Short Tree Resident, Pasay City. Malapit lamang ito sa Mall of Asia. So yun nga mga ka-Travel Bites review. Napadayo nga tayo dito sa Pork on the Road. So dito lamang yan guys sa Short Tree Resident, Pasay City. Malapit lamang ito sa Mall of Asia. So, dayuin nyo guys kapag nagawi kayo ng Mall of Asia. So, ito yung bagong food park dito sa Short Tree Residence. So, meron akong napansin dito. Yan. Pork on the Road. So, Filipino-American style siya kasi itong lumpia nila, Filipino style. Then, yung kanilang double cheeseburger, saka yung kanilang smoked sausage with sloppy. Ito yung American style nila guys. So, siyempre, titikman natin yan, guys. Yung pang malakasan nilang jalapeno cheeseburger lumpia. Ayan, oh. So, yung jalapeno cheeseburger lumpia nila, meron siyang ground beef. Ayan. Tapos, merong mozzarella cheese yata yung nasa loob. So, titikman natin. Loob pa lang makikita mo na na sulit, siksik sa laman at hindi tinipid. Ayan. So, titikman natin with hot sauce na ketchup. Sarap po. Panalo. Ngayon ako nakatikim ng jalapeno na ganitong style, na Filipino style. Ayan. Tapos yung cheese. Sarap. Hindi ba much yung cheese? Dun sa laman ng kanyang jalapeno. Panalo to guys. Tikman nyo. So, ito naman guys, yung kanilang double cheeseburger. So, makikita nyo guys, yung patty nila dito, if I'm not mistaken guys, homemade, ayan. Then, double cheese with mozzarella cheese. Ewan ko, cheese. Ayan, basta yan guys, panalo. Ayan, tikman natin. Grabe mo, panalo. Tapos, lagyan mo pa nito. Sriracha. Kung gusto mo ng konting may kick, ayan, pwede. No.
Hi everyone, my name is Ivory and I am the owner of Fork on the Road PH. Okay, so ang products ko namin is we actually make our own patties from scratch. It's 100% pure beef and we stuff it with mozzarella cheese. We have cheeseburger, double patty cheeseburgers. We also made our very own special jalapeno burger lumpia or our special cheeseburger lumpia. And you could also order on the side Cajun fries, wedges, and also our sausage sandwiches. You have the option to make it sloppy if you want. Cheese pepper Hungarian, smoked sausage, and frankfurters. And many more po. Please check in or tag us Fork on the Road PH or Fork on the Road. Instagram po and Facebook. Yes, you can definitely order online and then you can just book via Lalamove po or Grab or Angkas. So you can also go to our page so that we can take your orders and then we can just arrange for delivery. To everyone, we are inviting you all to visit us here at Shore 3 Residences in Mall of Asia, Pasay. We are here every Wednesdays to Sundays from 4 p.m. to 12 midnight. It's a must try. Our burgers, our double patty cheeseburgers, our jalapeno lumpia, our sausage sandwiches, and all our Cajun fries, wedges. It's definitely a must try. So come try Fork on the Road PH.
Ano? Hanggang nood na lang ba kayo? Titikim na yan!